Hey y'all, welcome back for another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making some steamed cabbage. So first things first, I already pre-cut out all my vegetables and my cabbage. So I have a preheated pan. I'm going to add some oil. Once my oil is heated up, I'm going to drop in some onions, bell peppers, and my carrots. I'm going to saute that up together until it's slightly caramelized. Next, I'm going to add in some thyme. Now I'm going to add in some fresh garlic. Give that a quick toss, let that cook for an additional 30 seconds. Now I'm going to start seasoning my vegetables. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now we're going to add the cabbage to the pan. You can add about 2 tablespoons of water if needed. And we're basically going to steam our cabbage. I switched pots. I needed something bigger. As you can see, after about 6 minutes, this is what it looks like. It creates its own liquid. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.